Welcome to this new SVG ANIMA tutorial on scale animation in SVG. In this example, we'll learn how to create a scale animation by designing an infinite zoom effect on an image. We start by creating a base image, duplicating it, shrinking it, and embedding it into the eye of the original image. To zoom in for a closer look, hold the Control key and scroll with your mouse. Select the object to animate, then click Animate, followed by Scale. Remember, the element must always be a group. If it's not, select the element, click Object, and then Group. The cross represents the scaling center. Let's adjust the end animation values from 100% to 1000%, making the image 10 times larger. Now, move the scaling center to the middle of the eye. For extra precision, position it at the center of the small image inside the eye of the larger image. Next, we'll zoom in by changing the scale value to 50,000 in both X and Y. Adjust the scale values so the images at the start and end of the animation align perfectly. To create an infinite zoom loop, check the infinite box in the right-hand panel. If the animation speeds up at the beginning and slows down toward the end, let's fix that by tweaking the timing. Change the animation's duration and go to the spline option. By default, it's set to linear, meaning no acceleration. Choose Custom. Move the points to see how the lower part of the graph affects timing compared to linear. This allows the animation to start slowly and speed up toward the end. Adjust this until you achieve your desired effect. Let's test it. The animation is now much smoother. And that's it. You've successfully created an infinite zoom animation in SVG. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and see you soon for new animations with SVG ANIMA.